Another milestone in Sunlight Air's story. Wow, where do I even begin? When we first envisioned Sunlight Air in 2018, our goal was simple, yet most people said it was ambitious. It was to reimagine and recreate air travel as we know it. We craft experiences that are memorable, seamless, and above all, personal, as we've committed to the boutique experience. Over the years, that dream has taken flight through each and every one of the 500,000 passengers that we've welcomed and served. Every route we've opened and every challenge that we've overcome together. Starting with a mere charter route between Manila and Coron, we now fully serve 6 of the most world-renowned island destinations of our country. Coron, Siargao, and Boracay, to name a few. Tonight, that dream continues to ascend and take flight. The arrival of our new ATR 72-600 is not just merely an addition to our fleet, but a symbol of growth, resilience, and a promise of even better things to come. It is more than just an aircraft. It represents years of hard work, countless discussions, and truly a collective effort of every person in this room. To you all, thank you very much. I would like to thank our chairman, Ricardo Brito, for his unwavering trust, support, and counsel throughout our journey. His vision and wisdom continue to ground us as we move forward. To our employees, partners, vendors, and friends from government and media, thank you also for being a part of this journey. Every flight, every detail, and every experience has been made possible because of your collective belief and trust in what we, Sunlight Air, stands for. And please allow me this opportunity to do my personal thanks as well. To my mom, my sister, and my husband who are celebrating with us tonight. Thank you for always lending your ideas, your support, and your listening ears through every story, every challenge, and most of all, for your patience through all the rants. And to our passengers, you are at the center of everything that we do. We promise to continue delivering the warmth and the personal touch that defines the Sunlight Boutique experience. This new ATR 72-600 will allow us to serve you better, continue connecting communities that deserve better access, and beautiful islands that deserve better awareness. But more than that, it marks the beginning of a new chapter. One where we move forward with continued purpose, stronger partnerships, and a steadfast commitment to excellence. As we take this next step, may we be reminded that milestone, no matter mechanical or technical, is built on human passion. And that passion is what continues to set Sunlight Air apart. Again, thank you for being a part of this story. May we all continue to ascend higher together. Let's all have a wonderful evening.